Hello, my name is Sarah Kottleker, and this video will be about my science project, Mangroves, Nature's Flood Guard. My hypothesis is that mangroves can protect coastal towns from flooding and/or hurricane waves. So here I've built a model. These are the mangrove roots, and this is the canopy. These are some beach houses, and I will now pour some water in here to show the sea. So this shows the sea. I believe that the mangroves will protect the town from the flooding. So I will create the waves now. So as you can see, the mangroves protected the town from the flood, from the hurricane wave, from the flood. Previously when I did this, without the mangroves, the water reached the town. But how does this work? Well, mangroves have incredibly dense roots, which helps to bind and build the soil. It also slows the water flow, which can create lots of good places for wildlife and fish. It has been shown that without mangroves, people have lost a lot of money because of the property damage and how much they had to pay for it. Sometimes, without mangroves, annual flood damage can get up to $65 billion, which shows that we need more mangroves and less shopping malls. What would it be like without mangroves? Well, research has shown that it is estimated that loss of mangroves will lead to 29% increase in flooded land and over 10% increase in property damage. But what would the best way to grow lots of mangroves be? I believe this is the best way. Step number 1, work with the local authorities to find a site where there should be lots of mangroves. Step 2, gather lots of mangrove fruit seeds and journey to the place where the planting will take place. Step 3, plant the mangrove seeds in the mud at low tide so the water does not wash away the seeds. Step 4, assemble a crew to keep the mangrove seeds healthy. For example, give it water, give it fertilizer, that stuff. Step 5, assemble another crew to monitor the health and growth of the mangroves. I believe this is the best way to grow lots of mangroves. In conclusion, based on my research, mangroves can protect coastal towns from flooding. Thank you.